Hi, this is Via from Via Creates, and today I'm going to show you how to create an autumn leaves chain friendship bracelet, which is a pattern by me that you can find on Bracelet Book. I will be using different colors from the pattern because this is more of a how to do tutorial, but I have labeled each step in the specific colors that I am using. These measurements are just kind of what I use on average, but you can also do whatever works to fit your wrists. I always do my strings a little bit longer, or at least I try to, just so that there is enough space for all of the knots. If you already know how to make the top loop of a friendship bracelet, you can go ahead and skip ahead to the chapter where I go over the pattern itself. But if you don't know how to make a top loop, I always add a little bit extra string on one side in the color that I'm going to do the loop in, and I use that specific string, and I will do 17 forward backward knots for this pattern because each chain is going to be made of 8 knots. So when you fold that in half at the top, it's going to match up with the same size of the chains. I usually use a clipboard for these because I do think that it secures it better, but I am using tape here for clarity. You can use whichever type you like and that works best for you. For chain friendship bracelets, it's important to remember that the loop color and the chain color, which are often the same, will go over all the other strings, and so you're not going to leave any strings out when you're doing these knots. I always like to push all the knots together at the end of a loop or a chain because that really does make it look a lot cleaner and it adds a lot more structure for shaping of the bracelet. For the leaf motif, you're going to start from the center, so you're going to want that outer leaf color to be in the middle and you're going to want your chain color to be on the furthest outside. I'm going to go row by row. I really hope I labeled all of these right. If I missed anything, please let me know in the comments and I will try to fix that. And this is also a little bit sped up from a normal speed, just so that it's easy to follow, but it's not too slow. If you do need to slow things down, go right ahead. If you wanted to do a solid leaf color, I have another pattern up on Bracelet Book where it would just be the chain color and then a leaf color. I do like this one a lot though because I think it's so fun to play around with different autumnal colors and it kind of creates this glowing effect, which is super fun. As you are doing the sides with the outer leaf color, make sure that you kind of tighten those knots, not too tight so the bracelet starts to warp, but enough that that chain color doesn't peek through too much on the other side, just again for that cleaner look. On the pattern for the stem of the leaf, it's going to have you skip a couple of the rows, and that's just to get that right number of knots within that motif that I'm looking for. But you're just 3 times, you're going to do a forward backward knot, a forward knot, and a backward forward knot with those strings that you have arranged, and that's going to give that stem shape. Now that we're done with the leaf motif, we're going to make the chain. So once again, we are going to take half of our strings and we're going to do that chain color on both of the other strings. At the first knot on these chains, you are going to want to make sure that it connects really nicely to that stem and that there's no kind of loops or gaps there, and that will again give your bracelet that more polished look. Once again, you're going to push those knots together and you're going to kind of curve them to make that nice chain shape. You can do as many leaves and chains as you want to fit your wrist for the pattern. With the type of measurement that I do about 4 to 5 leaves, and I will always end on a chain because I think that looks really nice with the top loop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and that you enjoy making your autumn leaf chain bracelet.